What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another one, and today was a crazy day. Look what CPI news did. CPI news ruined the day, but I'm so glad I took a setup before CPI news even dropped, and it was a really clean setup. Support and resistance setups support and resistance and liquidity grabs be hitting way more in Q4 than supply and demand, and supply and demand is my normal strategy. But let's just get into this video. Hopefully you guys do enjoy. Okay, so now we just got break the candle, hopped into this NAS setup. We're just looking for 1-to-1. Gonna mark up 1-to-1 now. We're pushing up with a lot of momentum. We almost buy TP. This is a really clean setup. Happened in like one candle. We're right by TP. We just need another push. Like, we're right there. Okay, there. Damn, bro, that was like, bro, support and resistance and liquidity grabs have been hitting so hard in Q4. Like, this was like a quick setup. I did want to grab the liquidity, but it's still just going. I think the setup's even gonna come full in these gaps here, but I don't want to really, since I'm already out, I didn't really want to hold though, because news is in 30 minutes now. But this was just a quick support and resistance setup. This could literally come for these gaps here, or maybe the liquidity here. But I'm good. I'm done for the day. That happened like, that was like 5-minute candle. I thought I should quickly do a proper trade breakdown for you guys, just so you guys can understand like the setup I saw and what I took. So I came onto the market and I just saw that we came down a bit, and we bullish overall, and that's what I saw first. And then I saw that there was liquidity sitting underneath here, and I was like, bam, with the 2 lines part of the strategy. And I did want the market to come down and sweep this low and then start pushing up, but that's not always going to happen. And then this just turned into a support setup. If you guys want to learn how to trade liquidity grabs, I did post a video 2 videos ago. I'll put it up on screen now, how to trade liquidity grabs. You guys can go check that out, and I do a full breakdown of how to trade liquidity grabs. But then this setup didn't come and sweep the liquidity. All it did was just come to the support, reject off the 2 lines, push up in with momentum, and I was like, okay, we're gonna try to look for breaking a candle and just look for a little bit of momentum to get pushed up in. And then we also buy the 200 EMA, but we did close underneath the 200 EMA, so it was a 50-50 on whether the setup was going to keep going up or not, and it did. And then we had 15-minute confluence as well. We in a 15-minute support right here. we're just in a 15-minute support right here, and then that was 15-minute confluence, but nothing else. And then all we did was just get it in at break the candle. I got in a little bit higher, like there, because of spreads. My TP was like there in my 1-to-1, and then that was it. Literally happened in like 2 minutes. And then if I held, this candle would have hit a 1 to 2.5, and then I was saying that the market could come fill in these gaps, and it literally did. But news was literally, what was it? The news was 15 minutes away when it came to fill in these gaps. So that's a different type of risk. If you really want to risk it, then it wasn't a supply here, but then news came, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, this was the news candle which shot up for very long. But that was just a quick support setup I took before news, and it happened really quick. Pretty happy with the setup, was clean. I'm gonna try and start holding my setups for like a little bit over 1-to-1, because most of my setups that I'll be taking now will be hitting longer than 1-to-1. So I'm gonna start trying to hold, but that is just like a different mental game. And I can't even lie to you guys, supply and demand setups have been slacking so much in Q4. I can't even lie. I think in November I've taken more support and resistance and liquidity grab setups than I've taken supply and demand. And supply and demand is my main strategy. So the market is slacking on supply and demand, but this was a crazy trade. I am done for today. Setup was super clean. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, join up my free Discord. Don't want anything from you guys. Link in the description. And make sure you guys keep grinding, keep getting to the next level, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.